You know, we've had quite a dry, hot spring, early spring, and what the predicted forecast is into the summer is going to be hotter than normal.
So it's time, residents of Kelowna, to prepare yourself, FireSmart your property, and reduce your risk of losing your home in a wildfire.
So we usually look at 3 priority zones, so right around your house, within 10 meters of your house. Some of the things you can do in removing some flammable fuels, junipers and cedars, and working out to what we call priority zone 2, out to 30 meters. We can do some thinning if you have a number of conifer trees, so needled trees on your property. Then out to about 100 meters. So that's quite a distance, but it's you know, whatever we can do out in that area. Some thinning again, removing some of the dead trees, it can help reduce the chances of us losing a structure in a wildfire.
And while residents, especially in Gallagher's Canyon and Quail Ridge, are being asked to mitigate the fuel around their homes, like pine needles and underbrush in case of a wildfire, Kelsey Winters with the Kamloops Fire Centre says there's no need to panic just yet about the fire season, even if it's tinder dry.
So it is still quite early in the year for us to really forecast what's going to happen this summer with fire season. A lot of the fire activity that we see in July and August is really dependent on the rains that we get in June. So we will wait for that month, see how much the precipitation levels are before we really determine what the summer is going to be like.
However, the fire danger rating is moderate to high, and so far this year there have been 30 wildfires in our region. 100% have been human-caused.
We are below our numbers for 2014 in terms of numbers of fires, as well as below our 10-year average, but in terms of hectares burned, we've had more burned this year so far compared to last year.
Fire officials would like to remind the public that there is no more open burning in the city of Kelowna, and as of May 15th at noon, only campfires will be allowed. For Castanet News, I'm Zielinski.